In a world where dreams were baked into reality, a humble baker sought more than just bread. "Why a computer?" asked a curious customer. "To knead my ideas into life," the baker replied, eyes twinkling with ambition. The computer hummed, transforming flowery thoughts into digital delights. Each click was a sprinkle of creativity, each tap a dash of innovation. "See," the baker smiled, "it's not just dough I seek, but the recipe for success." The customer nodded, inspired. "Perhaps," they mused, "we all need a little tech to rise."